Capricorn, this is Jav. Welcome po sa ating channel. By the way, Capricorn, this is your weekly Gabay Tarot reading from October 13 to 19, 2025. Gamitin ang reading na ito bilang gabay lamang. Kung naka-resonate kayo, comment down. Tandaan, Capricorn, ito ay channel reading. Kunin nyo lang po kung ano naka-resonate sa'yo. This is for you, Capricorn. Para po ito sa iyo, Capricorn, ngayong October 13 to 19, 2025. Angel number para kay Capricorn. Angel number 777. Sabi po dito, alignment. Your progress is recognized. And alignment is here. It is within your reach. The whisper is reminding you to stay the course and feel source of working through you. Your gifts are being recognized. To attract more blessings, let us say the power affirmation. Let us say, I blossom and bloom as I use my gifts. All things simply align as I feel the feeling of the divine. Again, I blossom and bloom as I use my gifts. All things simply align as I feel the feeling of the divine. Claim niyo po. By the way, so, angel number 777. So this is good luck, spiritual awakening, divine protection, and increased intuition. Oo, so magandang kapalaran to, ha? Oo, Capricorn. Trust your intuition, listen to your inner voice, and trust your instincts. And embrace a new path, okay? Kasi may new opportunities dito and direction in your life. Next is stay positive. Maintain a positive mindset po. And next is connect with your spiritual side. Okay, take time to calm your mind and be receptive to new spiritual insights and changes. Claim nyo po, ang ganda. Maraming salamat po sa inyo patuloy na suporta, sa mga nag-donate, sa mga hindi nag-skip ng ads. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, subscribe na po kayo at click bell notification para malaman nyo na may bago tayong video. Para sa mga gusto mong pa-reading po, comment po kayo ng personal reading. Again, comment kayo ng personal reading and check my reply sa comment section. Prosperity is yours. May nag-uusap dito tungkol sa property. At or sa domestic matters, and home base yung work nyo, nagpasya kayo na home base yung work nyo, nagpasya din kayo na mag-vacation sa bahay, staycation sa bahay kasi you felt calm, relaxed, and security pag nasa bahay kayo. May malaking influence ng isang babae po, may importanteng desisyon, may importanteng ganap sa passion mo. So umiwas kayo sa mga taong toxic, sabi ng iyong card. This is your energy, Capricorn. Andito po si Angel of Wisdom. Okay. Kung may napansin kayo na repeating message, like for example, nanood kayo sa inyong monthly Gabay Tarot reading, daily Gabay Tarot reading, first half of the month of October, at dito din sa weekly Gabay Tarot reading nyo, at may napansin kayo na repeating message, yan po yung pinupush ng card sa inyo na kailangan yung bigyan ng atensyon, solusyon, at aksyon, kung maaari po. So, na yung energy ni Capricorn. Celebration. May celebration dito, togetherness. Oo. Itong celebration na ito, togetherness na ito, this is also means a stress reliever. Pwedeng may date, may group date, any kind of celebration po. Pwedeng company outing din po. Mas lumawak yung ambisyon mo sa buhay, oh. May victory na nangyari, mas lumawak yung ambisyon niyo sa buhay. And kampante ka sa kung anong sitwasyon ka. Oo. So, to attract more blessings, let us say the power of affirmation kasi andito sa Angel of Wisdom. Let us say, I am strong, stable, and in control of my life. Again, I am strong, stable, and in control of my life. Kung sa Tagalog pa, kasi may nag-request, ako ay malakas, matatag, at may kontrol sa aking buhay. This is about your career and money, Capricorn, in October 13 to 19, 2025. Nakikita ko dito, nagkaroon po ng may ganap na negotiation po for a raise ng allowance, sweldo, or kontrata. Yes, magkakaroon ng successful agreement. Any kind of negotiation, magkakaroon po ng pagkakasundo. So, claim nyo po. Challenges may arise in your career, pero temporary lang po ito. So, nakikita ko naman dito na buong tapang mo itong harapin. Katapangan at kumpiyansa sa gitna ng anumang klaseng atake. Pero then may ganap na pinagtanggol mo yung kasamahan mo dyan, laban sa iba. So, wag po daw kayo mag-focus sa problema kasi magdudulot ito ng pagtigil. Andito na naman yung celebration. May ganap na celebration kasi nabuo or nakumpleto na or tapos na yung project. May gantimpala kang matatanggap, maaring mana ito promotion or recognition. Kasi tuwang-tuwa ka kasi gusto mo magbakasyon. Yan. So, maganda to kasi yung celebration is maganda kasi it will increase the flow of positive opportunities in your life. You deserve to celebrate your success. Nakita ko rin dito na may papalitan kayo dyan. Oo. Pwedeng proseso, papalitan nyo na para mas maging magaan, para mas maging maganda, or mas maging madali. Pwede din na change career to kasi gusto mo magkaroon ng growth. Basta gumagawa ka ng paraan po para magkaroon ng growth. Nakita ko rin dito na nagkaroon po ng victory. Another card na nagsabi na victory, more than success to, mahigit pa sa success. Oo, may promotion ako nakikita dito. May financial growth after a period of struggle. And your discipline and the hard work are paying off. So, enjoy this time. Makakatanggap din kayo ng mabuting balita after a period of struggle. May magandang balita na parating or may bagay na matutupad. Love life, self-love, partnership, and romance ni Capricorn. Andito po si Angel of Magic. Okay, so this is may parating na romantic partner na papasok sa iyong buhay ngayon sa mga single dyan. And may exciting na ganap dito, oh. Andito na naman yung event invitation or date, group date, pwede. May travel din. May travel na may bagong tao na darating sa iyong buhay. Okay, nag-manifest kayo. Kayong lahat, single ka man, marelasyon sa buhay mag-asawa. Nag-manifest kayo na magkaroon ng magandang connection. Pwedeng sa partner mo, pwedeng sa kaibigan mo, family member. Your manifest will be granted soon. So, pay attention kayo sa pagbalanse sa iyong emotion with your thoughts while remaining grounded and passionate para ma-attract mo yung green flag na tao na para sa iyo. And please know that you are divinely guided. Oo, with the divine assistance, all things are possible. May parating na blessings, oh. Granted yung manifestation mo. Na, okay, self-confidence. Andito din. To attract more blessings, let us say the power affirmation kasi andito say Angel of Magic. Let us say, I am free to find my own path and have strength for the journey ahead. Kung sa Tagalog pa, kasi may nag-request, ako ay isang makapangyarihang manlilikha. Pag-imanin niyo po yung blessings sa binigay sa inyo. Capricorn, see you tomorrow. Maraming salamat.